Welcome to our village, let's have a look around. Michael is the postman, he toils away inside a shack. Dennis takes your garbage, but he's always quick to give it back. And Megan's quite the dancer when she's had a glass of gin. And Herman loves his coffee, it's the 10th time he's been in. Welcome to our village, welcome to our paradise. Thursdays we play cribbage, and everyone's insanely nice. Mary's baking biscuits, someone new just moved to town. Welcome to our village, let's have a look around. Steph moved here from home, he built a house with his own hands. Mayor Ross has held office since Diefenbaker ruled the land. And Donnie seems so happier since he learned he's such a drag. And Heather's a kung fu scientist, but she's not the kind to brag. Welcome to our village, welcome to our paradise. A great place to raise children, everyone's so very nice. Mary's baking biscuits, someone new just moved to town. Welcome